Welcome to the vibrant heart of innovation, the city that pulses with creativity, San Francisco. Imagine living amidst the buzz of this dynamic city, with the iconic sights and sounds right at your doorstep. That's what Nob Hill student accommodation is all about. Whether you prefer the cozy vibes of furnished ensuite or the laid-back feel of non-ensuites, Nob Hill has got you covered. Each space is designed for comfort and convenience, featuring study-friendly setups with desks and chairs, snug twin-size beds, and ample storage with dressers and closets. When it's time to unwind and mingle, the lounge is the perfect spot to kick back and relax, while the community kitchen is the heart of communal fun and delicious discoveries. Say goodbye to laundry day blues thanks to the in-house laundry facilities, and stay connected to your family at lightning speed with a high-speed internet. Now the location, it's super cool. Just a quick 7-minute ride to the Academy of Art University and Golden Gate University. And if you're into shopping or checking out famous places, Zara, Sephora, the Transamerica Pyramid, and the Wells Fargo Museum are just a stone's throw away. Ready to make this awesome student life yours? Check out amberstudent.com for all the details. Nob Hill is waiting for you. Let the adventure begin.